Ladies and bra wearers of the world, we've been lied to. Bras shouldn't feel like torture devices, but 80% of us are wearing the wrong size. Today we're exposing the secrets to feeling confident in any bra. No awkward adjusting required. Rule number one, the band is the boss. If it's riding up, it's too loose. Straps shouldn't suffocate. Two fingers under equals perfect tightness. Rule number three, wire free can be life free, but if you love wires, check for poking rebels. Next, the fabric wars. Choose your side. Lace is pretty but can feel like a cactus hug. Cotton, boring but breathable. And sports bras for workouts or pretending to work out. Professional tip, seamless bras equal ninja mode under tight clothings. Next, style hacks for stealth mode. Your bra should match your outfit's vibe. T-shirt bras for smooth operator. Strapless for risque movements. And bralettes, I woke up like this kind of energy. Next, emergency bra fixes. Disaster strikes. Here's your survival kit. Straps snapped, safety pin it like a MacGyver pro. Wire escaped, bandage that traitor. Nip slip, use a fashion tape, your invisible hero. Truth bomb, confidence isn't about the bra, it's about you. Whether you're rocking a push-up or going braless, own it. And if anyone judges, they're just jealous of your comfort level. Drop a comment. What's your biggest bra struggle? Let's laugh and fix it together. And subscribe for more unapologetic comfy tips.